Hello, I am David with Two Sean's Woodworking. This is my first YouTube video. I've never been in front of a camera before, so bear with me. My editing is probably going to be horrific, but hopefully you guys get the gist of some of the projects that I make. Anyways, right now we're in the midst of making a floating TV stand for my living room. It's a new house, and I finally got some time to make some of my own things that I need. So bear with me, and we'll get this going. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to many more.
Shut up and sit down.
So I'm using the pocket hole system, putting this TV floating stand together. We'll run a bead of glue, slam the screws in, tighten that up, let it dry overnight. So I have two different ones. I'm using the small one right now because it's a lot faster. I can move around the board a little bit quicker than putting them up on edge and using the big Craig pocket hole system. So just stay tuned.
She never heard that, she never had to know. Yeah. 6 in the morning, baby. 6 in the morning, baby. Tell me how you really feel. Huh. She moves so slow, but then the 1-2 step downtown is all she knows. Yeah. Down in direct dreams. Oh, she knows when all the people stare at me. Yeah. 6 in the morning, baby. 6 in the morning.
All right, so we just made it inside about 10 minutes before the storm came in. A lot of rain. Anyways, we got the box built. We did the sanding sealer, got it all sanded out, did our interior caulking for our finished paint. I was fortunate enough to get at least 2 coats of black lacquer on today. This stuff takes a lot of detail and a lot of time to get it perfect. So it shows all the wood flaws, and you just got to sand it, knock it back down, reshoot it, knock it down. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 coats. Sometimes you get lucky and do it in one. Most of the time, I shoot it in my spray booth. I've been waiting for about 2 months for a new blower motor, so whenever that gets in, it'll make my life a little bit easier. I can do all my painting inside. So I appreciate everybody tuning in. Thanks for watching my first YouTube video. And I look forward to finishing this up and showing you a finished product. You guys take care of yourselves. Thanks again.